What did you just say? Go ahead. Really? Say it again. What are you saying? What was that? I didn't quite catch it. I don't understand. Say it again. Oh, so you're talking for him now. Okay. Say it again. I don't understand. I'm confused. Oh, so now you're talking for him, talking for you. Okay. Well, say it again. I don't quite understand. I'm confused. Oh, I get it now. Burp-a-doo-doo-doo. Okay. Well, maybe that's not quite it. Maybe I got it wrong. Did I not understand? Tell me again. Go ahead. Oh, I think I get it. It says cock-a-doodle-doo, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Go ahead. Say it again. Go ahead. It's okay. Oh, so you're talking for him, talking for you, talking for him, talking for you. Okay, we'll try it again. I don't know. I could be wrong. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Nothing? You're done? That's enough? All right.